The PIREKZUNT 18-inch rear bike basket is designed for easy installation, taking only minutes to set up with the provided screws and ensuring compatibility with a wide range of bicycles and e-bikes. This bike basket stands out for its heavy loading capacity, capable of handling over 100 pounds, making it ideal for carrying groceries or other heavy items during bike trips. Constructed from robust metal and treated with a special anti-rust coating, the basket measures 18.1 inches in length, 13 inches in width, and 6 inches in height, offering both durability and resistance to corrosion. The basket set includes a metallic basket, a reinforced black liner made from water-resistant Oxford fabric, a protective cargo net, and all necessary mounting accessories to secure your belongings. Its versatile design allows it to be used for carrying a variety of items, such as lunchboxes, food bags, jackets, water bottles, children's school bags, and even small pets. Whether you are using it for daily shopping, sports gear, or as a bike crate, this rear bike basket offers a practical solution for your storage needs.